Hi, Uzair here. In this video, we are going to set up Cloudflare for our new website. So, what is Cloudflare? Cloudflare is very important for our new website because it only allows organic and good traffic and blocks malicious traffic and any hack attacks made to our website. So, the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to log in our Namecheap dashboard. Go into your account. Okay. So, open up a new tab and search Cloudflare in Google search bar. Visit cloudflare.com. On the top right toolbar, you'll see sign up. Click on sign up. Okay, it's asking for my email address and password. Click on sign up. Okay, now in the left menu bar, you'll see click websites. Click on websites. I hope my email is all right. Let me confirm my email first. It's all right. We already have a verification. Okay. Click on this link to verify your Cloudflare account. Continue to dashboard. So we are going to add our website here. Click on add website. Type in your domain name here. If you go to your Namecheap dashboard, this will be your domain name. Copy it and paste it here. Type www.leafist.com, which is my domain name. Of course, yours will be different. Click on add site. Okay, they are asking that it's root domain, not any subdomain. Remove www. and simply leafists.com. Okay, it will first show you all the premium plans. We are not going to opt in for any premium plans. What we'll do, we'll scroll down and you'll see there is a plan for us freeloaders. We are going to click over here because we are petty people. Click on continue. Okay, so it is going to review our DNS records. It's going to fetch some DNS records from our hosting. Okay, these are all the DNS records. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all these extra records here. Okay, these two records which are already available, we are going to edit them. I have got an image here in my folder which says the first record type should be A. You should add your domain name and your hosting IP address. And the other should be C name, your www and domain. Okay, I'm going to follow this structure. I need to verify it. So this has the record A, my domain name, and this is probably my IP address which it automatically fetched. And the other thing is cname www, and here it should have my domain. I'll copy it from here and paste it over here. Okay, so because I had already set up my hosting with my domain name, it automatically grabbed all those details. If these details are not here, how are you going to manage it? I'll delete these records as an example. We'll just delete them. Suppose the DNS records are clear. What we are going to click over here, add record, select record type A, type in your domain name, which is in my case defis.com, and it should have IP address over here. We are going to go back to our Namecheap dashboard and grab the IP address from there. You can also see in this image that I have over here, here should be an IP address. Okay, so I'll go back to my Namecheap dashboard. This small icon right here is my hosting icon, which says I have Stellar package. I'm going to click on manage. Scroll down and right here you see my IP address. I'll copy it, go back to Cloudflare and paste it over here. It is important that your IP address here matches the IP address in your Namecheap hosting. Click save. Okay, so I'm going to add another record. Going back to our image, it should be cname. Type in your domain name. No, will not have a domain name here. It should be www. The target should be your domain name, which is in my case leafis.com. I'll paste it over here. Click on save. So we have cname record and a record. Click on continue. Now it will ask to add some name servers, which we'll do right now. These two name servers, we are going to attach them with our domain name. Now what we need to do, we need to go back to our Namecheap account. Click on dashboard. So this icon here, it shows settings for our domain name. Click on manage, or you can also click over here which says manage. I'm going to click on manage. Scroll down and here you will see an option which says name servers. I'm going to click on this and it will show me a drop down. Click on custom DNS, and this custom DNS is asking for name server 1, name server 2. Go back to your Cloudflare, copy your first name server. Click over here, click to copy. This name server has been copied. Now go back to your Namecheap, paste it over here. Go back to Cloudflare, copy your other name server and then paste it over here. This small tick arrow which is really light, you are going to click over it to save it. Now your name server settings has been saved. It's loading. Okay, DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. Okay, so it might really take up to 48 hours to take effect. Sometimes it takes some minutes, sometimes it takes half an hour. If you are speed running your installation process and you are going to install WordPress right after it, so don't panic, it might take time. You just have to be patient if your website is not loading. What we are going to do in this video is just we are only setting up Cloudflare. Okay, now go back to your Cloudflare and click on Done, check name servers. Get started. It's asking for automatic HTTPS writes. Already checked, click on Save. Always use HTTPS, enable it, click on Save. Auto minify CSS and HTML, not JavaScript. We are not going to mess with our JavaScript. Click on Save. Broadly, I don't know what it is. I'll just click on Save. Finish. So our basic settings have been done. Now we need to just check some things over here. Some setting. We don't need these settings right now. I'm just confirming some things. Measure sizing, these are all pro settings. Optimize delivery, early hits. Looks good, I'll just enable it. Rocket loader. Improve the build time for pages which include JavaScript. Enable it. AMP real URL. We are not going to enable AMP right now. It's a thing for another day. Okay, where is the save button? There is no save button here. Okay, so let's move on. Crawler hits, enable it. Always online. Enable tiered cache. Okay, we are good. The settings have been done. We have set up our Cloudflare, which says great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your website. So the next step is that we have to install WordPress on our hosting, which I'll do in the next video. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Stay tuned. Bye.